What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the shape groups in the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can open this Adobe After Effects and you can start to create your first project over here. For example, you can click this composition and new composition, and you can also put the name or give the name of your project or this composition like this, for example. And after that I will also add the another one. For example, it will be the compound shape. Like this. And after that you can start to direct your cursor into this section, and I'll give it the new shape layer. Give it the right click and you'll see this option. Click new and shape layer. There you go. And after that, if you click this shape layer, there will no any content yet, so you can start to add the first thing over here. For example, group this one, and I will choose again the shape for the rectangle, example like this. And after that, if you see the detail of this rectangle path, you will see the size, position, and also the roundness. However, there is no any color yet, so you can start to put the color by click this add again and choose fill, and you'll see that the rectangle now it has the color of red. And after that I will also click add again to choose the stroke or the outline like this. And after that I will adjust the size, let's say to become 15. Perfect. And surprisingly, you can also give this rectangle a copy so that there will be more than one of the rectangle. So you can click this one first, and after that you can start to give it the combination of your keyboard, Control and D. There you go, it will show down here. And I will copy it into the 3, for example. Again, there you go. And how to make the rectangle show not only one, so I will show the content of this rectangle path 2. And for example, for this position, I will start to click this and slide it, let's say, to the left like this. And also for the rectangle path, you can open the content or click the drop down. And here I will also make it in the position in the section or on the right side. Click this section and slide it to the right. What if I slide it to in this section? Well, it is actually okay, but it will slide like this or make it bigger. This is the size, and also this is the position like this. So you can also change the position to be neutral by type it into the 0 and enter. There you go. And for example, I will make it back to become 100 like this. And you can also change the color of this rectangle. So I will start to give it this fill and duplicate it, Control D, as same as the rectangle path. And after that I will start to click this fill one and I will move it. At least the position will be after this rectangle path 1. Here. And after that, I will go back to this fill 2. Open the detail, and for example, you can start to change the color, let's say to become yellow, like this. And you can also play with this composite, let's say below previous, and click above previous, then all of the color will change into the yellow. So that's all, guys. This is the shape group in the After Effects. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.